Good afternoon, all of you. Welcome back to Electrochemistry Part 7. In this part, we will discuss about products of electrolysis. Product of electrolysis depends on the nature of electrodes used, the nature of electrolyte, and the amount of current passed through the electrolyte. Product of electrolysis depends on the nature of electrodes used in the electrolytic cell, the nature of electrolyte, the amount of current passed through the electrolyte. So according to our syllabus, we have to study electrolysis of two solutions, that is molten NaCl and aqueous NaCl. In molten NaCl, Na plus ions present, Cl minus ions present. So Na plus ions undergoes reduction and form sodium, and sodium metal is deposited at the cathode because it is reduction. Therefore, reduction take place at cathode. Next is Cl minus ions. Cl minus ions undergo oxidation, and after oxidation, chlorine gas is liberated at anode. This is cathode reaction. First one cathode reaction, second anode reaction. Oxidation take place at anode and reduction occurs at cathode. The next is aqueous NaCl. Aqueous NaCl means NaCl solution, NaCl in water. Therefore, aqueous NaCl contains Na plus ions, Cl minus ions, H plus ions and OH minus ions. Therefore, here we have to apply one principle, that is survival of the fittest. Here Na plus ions and H plus ions, both ions can undergo reduction, but the reduction of H plus ion is more favorable, energetically favorable than reduction of Na plus ion. That's why I told you survival of the fittest. Therefore, 2H plus 2 electron gives H2. That means H plus ions undergo reduction and hydrogen gas is formed, and that is liberated at the cathode. And then chloride ions and OH minus ions. And oxidation of chloride ions are more favorable, energetically favorable than oxidation of OH minus ions. Therefore, Cl minus ions undergo oxidation, and after oxidation we get chlorine gas, and chlorine gas is liberated at anode. Oxidation takes place at anode and reduction occurs at cathode. Hope you all got the idea about the product of electrolysis. What are the factors affecting the product of electrolysis? Electrolysis of molten NaCl.